Hey folks, today I'm going to talk about the work for Thursday, March 26th. But first, just an announcement and a reminder. I am filming this on the 24th, so I have not yet gone to any of the AP YouTube video sessions. So we'll see what they're like, but I want to remind you that on the 26th, the night of the 26th, or the afternoon at 3 o'clock, there is a second YouTube session. On my screen right now, you can see the introduction to it. Here is the link to the College Board's YouTube channel. And here is the notes document where you can take notes for credit. Once you get to this screen, you'll see here's English language. This first one is for the 25th, the second one is for the 26th, and the third one is for the 27th. I'll be at all three. I think they're going to be super helpful, and I hope you'll be there too to get yourself ready for the AP test, but also to gain credit. So that's the first thing. The second thing is the assignment for today. So by the 26th, by now, you should have already made your thesis statement. I gave you feedback on that. You should have made your outline. I gave you feedback on that. And now you're ready to start drafting. So I want to start drafting together and show you how I would do this. So you'll open up your document. I want you to notice that I'm writing an essay on power because I don't want to give you guys any specific ideas about money. So just be careful. I'm going to show you some models or some examples using power as a topic. And I just want to show you how I'm going to write my introduction. But of course, the topic is different. So when you open this document, the first thing you're going to want to do is replace your name. Here's my name. Here's the course. Here's the due date, April 3rd. I actually think it should be April 4th. So go ahead and change that. The title can be added later, unless you already can think of a creative title about money and power, money and how it affects people. My topic is power. So I'm going to do the absolute dangers of absolute power. I think that's a pretty creative title, but also maybe you want to wait until you've written the whole thing to do that. So here's what's going to come next. I would highly suggest that the first thing you do is copy and paste your thesis statement and put it here. Here's my thesis statement about how power affects people. I wrote, while in rare cases power has been used for the good of mankind, power more often corrupts individuals, leading them to abuse their power and, in the process, hurt or in extreme cases, destroy others. So I'm going to leave you a note here. Here's the outline for an introduction. It's really simple. One is a general statement on the topic. Whoops. 3 is your thesis. Now 2 is the trickiest part. What comes in between is a specific statement. So this is a bridge from the topic to your thesis. And I'll show you what this looks like. So my topic is power. My first sentence then, I want to be about power. So here's how I'll start. Power, or I'm going to start throughout history. A little nod to your US history preparation here. Human beings have been drawn to power. And while some contend that money makes the world go round, it is in fact, let's do this. Money is only a symbol of power, semicolon. Power makes the world go round. I'm pretty proud of that. I think that's pretty clever. So I've got my first sentence about how important power is and my last sentence about how power corrupts people. So now I have to think about how am I going to go from this general statement about power to this thesis statement about how power can destroy others. So I'm going to think about, let me try something like this. In their pursuit of power, people have been driven to extreme measures, at times even betraying their morals and the common good. Let's see how that sounds. So now I've got my first sentence is about power in general and how power is important. My second sentence is about how power has caused people to do things that are not considered good and fair and honest. And my third sentence is my thesis. So I'm good with that. So that's my outline for the intro. If you want to right now, you can pause me and take a couple of minutes to write your intro. Your intro really only needs to be 3 or 4 sentences long. It should not be too much longer than what I have here. So if you want to, pause me now and write your intro. Otherwise, you can think about your body paragraph. So here's your outline for your bodies. There might be, you could have 3 or 4 body paragraphs. Your one is going to be your topic statement. And this could be a counterclaim. 2 is going to be your evidence. And 3 is going to be your commentary. And this is going to be several sentences. Now, on the assignment for today, let me find it. Well, it's not there. But you will see that I have uploaded for you the commentary guide. So when you're writing your body paragraph, you've gotten your topic statement, which you should just pull from your outline. You've gotten your evidence, which you can also just pull from your outline, pull from your evidence chart, and then comes the commentary. So, definitely go here, use these sentence starters. Honestly, I would go in order. I would do, and I'll even number these for us. I would even go in order. I would do 1, 2, whoop. You get the idea. Maybe you don't even need to do it that way. I'm going to get rid of the numbers. Maybe you don't go in the order of these rows, but I would say that for each piece of evidence, you want to have, at least 3 different sentences of commentary. And there are, 6 options here for how to do commentary. So hopefully that will help you get through your introduction and your body paragraph. I'm going to leave this outline here on the screen at the end of this session. So if you pause the end of this video, the outline will be here for you. The expectation for today is that you finish your introduction and at least 300 words. If you don't know how to count words, what you'll do is highlight what you've written, go to Tools, go to Word Count. So my intro is 90 words. So figure you'll be writing, about a page and a half today. Use your outline, use your evidence guide, use this outline I left you here, and use the commentary guide. As always, email me if you have questions. I expect to see an introduction and 300 words. Good luck, and let me know if you need any help.